Hi guys, it's another day on Tutorials Ghana, and today we are going to learn how to design the American flag. It is very easy in Photoshop. It's very easy to design the American flag in Photoshop. Let's move to Photoshop and start now. And please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. The more you subscribe to my channel, the more the channel grows. Yeah, let's start now. Photoshop, and after entering photo, you select your paper in Photoshop. After selecting your paper, you go to the shape tool. After clicking the shape tool, you right click the shape tool and select custom shape tool. Custom shape tool. After selecting, you come here and select the US flag. US flag. Yeah. After selecting the US flag, you draw the US flag. After drawing, you come to the layer and double click the layer and select red. Yeah, and select red in the layer. After right click the layer and select rasterize layer. After selecting rasterize layer, you select this tool, the rectangular marquee tool. After selecting it, you come to the flag, draw it nicely. Yeah, then right click and select layer by cut. After cutting, select the layer and come to FX. Select color overlay. After selecting color overlay, click and select blue. Yeah, and click blue. Yeah, to select blue. Yeah, after arranging it, now you have your US flag. Thank you for watching. Meet you next time. Bye bye.
Kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell, like, comment, and share.